Hi guys, so we're at the field and it's supposed to be in the Soviet times. There were something like plowing competitions here, so I'm hoping to find something like badges and all that kind of stuff. We'll see what happens. So I got a clear signal right here. Shows 75, 76. Right on top. Let's see, I'll try to do a live dig here. Oh, it's right on top. Let's see what's that. Oh, I see what it is. Bottle top. No. It's a roof. I think it's a roof from a small toy car. Okay. So my friend just found the centim, 2 centims, 1932, first Republic of Latvia, and 2 kopeikas, 1977. I still haven't found any coin. I've got a clear signal of 58 around here. See if I can do a live dig. Let's see. Okay. See what we got here. Somewhere around here. Oh, I can sometimes hit it. Let's see what this might be. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That looks just like a button. And it's not a button, but it's not a coin as well. It's just a piece of metal with a hole in it. And check this out, guys. There's an abandoned house nearby. I'll try to look inside to see what's in there. Pretty interesting. And that's how the house looks like. It doesn't look too old, but I don't know if you can see. It's all sand on the floor. That's an interesting thing. That's where they used to cook food, I guess. Oh, there's new wallpapers. Well, newspapers, not like. Check this guy out. I think that's linen. Yeah, that's linen. So yeah, that's the wallpaper. That's the newspaper. So we got a nice 77 signal. Coin 77 signal. see what pops up, if anything, because I haven't found anything nice right there. This one doesn't look nice as well. It's here. It's just a piece of metal, no? No, it's something. It's like a buckle. And it's a buckle. There's definitely a buckle. So I got another signal nearby and something bigger buckle. So the first coin of the day. Here is 2 kopeckas. Here we go. 1957. We moved to another place and I got a nice signal right here. Like 84, 85, and I'll try to dig it for you. Okay, so this is clay. There's a lot of clay. Oh, nice. See green. I see something green. Looks like a coin, but it's really out of shape. I don't think it's yes, it might be a coin actually. I should wash the water, I guess. If it's a coin, it should be a coin. I'll be back with the green coin. So we got another signal back from that coin. That coin was like 1850s Russian Empire. And the readings are 85, so it's the same as the coin. So I'm gonna dig here. So it's probably in this lump. Let's see. There's someone here, right? Okay. Yeah, it's half a coin. Probably Empire as well. Well, this place is a lot better than the last one. I'm not sure if this is a coin. Probably it might be a coin. Well, definitely. It looks like it was round at some point. So we dug another hole nearby, and the signal wasn't very good. It was like in the 50s, and here it is. I think it's a coin. Let's see what kind of coin it is. The coins are so worn out here. I should, I guess. I should just clean it up and show you the photo because I can't see. So I came back from the hunt. It's been like 6 or 7 hours, and these are the best finds. I'm not too excited about the hunt. I've had better results, but I can't say it's nothing. So this is a buckle. I haven't found a buckle this big before. I think it's quite old, like 70 years old. This is a smaller buckle. I think it was used somewhere with horses. And as for coins, this is 2 kopeki, 1957. To put that in perspective, I believe Stalin died on 1955, so it was hammered like 2 years after the death of Stalin. It's not super old, but it's kind of old, and it has this trait that all the money kopeki that were hammered after like 1960s has a lot well, they preserve a lot worse, and this has a nice yellowish look, and it preserved pretty well, as you can see. And there we go, a better focus. Now up to the next one. It's 2 centimi, I think. It's Latvian. I believe it's the first republic of Latvia. It's around 1920s, 1930s. It says Latvia on the top of the coin, and I haven't found these since, well, until now. I'm quite happy with this find. I found this one right next to this kopeka, 1 kopeka, and before I cleaned the dirt, I thought this was going to be from the Russian Empire, but after I did clean the dirt, I saw that it was Latvian. So let's continue with the best one. That's 1 kopeka, and this is from Russian Empire. It's, I don't know if you can't see the year. Let me help you with that. It's not much of a help, but let's try focus it a little bit. Well, it's like 1830s. You can see the eagle right here, 2-headed eagle. It has a scepter, and from my last find, I found this one. These 3 coins were actually lying nearby. So, well, these 2 coins I know about. This one, what is this? It has some weight to it. It has like a silverish look right here when it's where it's been struck by a shell, I think. But I haven't seen a green pattern on the silver coins, so I doubt it's silver. Maybe if you know, write in the comments or on a Facebook page. If you know what's this, if you have found something similar to this, please share what this might be. So overall, these are the best finds. As I said before, I'm not super happy about the hunt, but well, I had a pretty good time being outside. I will be making more videos about my gear, the techniques I use, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.